Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have my niece here, Landry, and what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna make chocolate chip cookies with M&Ms inside for Santa. And the ingredients you're gonna need are sugar, flour, vanilla, baking soda, measuring cups, M&Ms, mixing bowl, brown sugar, chocolate chips, butter, and eggs.
So let's go ahead and get started.
You're going to need a large bowl to combine your baking soda, flour, and salt.
So you're gonna need 2 cups and 1/4 of flour, and she's gonna go ahead and we already put in 2 cups into our bowl. We're gonna go ahead and add the 1/4 cup of flour. And then we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then you're gonna need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you wanna make a level 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So we went ahead and combined all of our dry ingredients into our bowl. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be adding in 2 sticks of butter into our mixer, and this is gonna be our wet ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and put in 2 sticks of butter. Now we already have 1 in there now. And then we're gonna add 3/4 cups of sugar. And then we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to add that to our wet ingredients. And then we're also going to be combining 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Now we're going to go ahead and put our mixer on medium speed. And we want to mix that real well so it's nice and creamy. And then after that gets nice and creamy, we're going to be adding in our 2 eggs. Now we're going to go ahead and combine our dry ingredients into our mixer. Now our last step we have to do is combine our chocolate chips and our M&Ms. So we're going to go ahead and pour in the whole bag of chocolate chips, and then I think we're going to use probably 1/2 the bag of M&Ms. And we want to combine that real well. Our cookies are all ready to go in the oven. I preheated the oven to 375. Now I'm going to put the timer on for 8 to 10 minutes. My cookies are all done cooling, and I went ahead and put them on my Christmas dish. Okay girls, what do you think? You got to take your first bite and tell me what you think.
They're so good. They're really good.
They're really good?
They got a lot of chocolate in them. Because used a whole bag of M&Ms and a whole bag of chocolate chips. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't think I'm going to leave any cookies out for Santa because these cookies are too good. Until next time, happy decorating!